That was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you do it one more time?
No, we can just keep going and then just cut this part out.
No, I know, but like, you want to say it one more time just in case? Or do you think that was good?
I think that was good.
One more time.
Is that mold? I'm joking. It's eyeliner.
It had to be.
Make a wish.
Oh.
You missed it.
Hi friends, it's your guy Eli Levi, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest on my channel, KARIANN.
Hi guys.
She is my dance partner, and she was lucky enough to be on my channel. That's not what I meant. I'm so happy that she's on my channel. For this video, she is doing her makeup routine on my face.
I'm like the least makeup person. I kind of just throw it all on and it ends up looking okay. So I'm going to be walking him through everything that I do. So at the same time as me doing it, he's going to be doing it. The only thing is that he's going to be using his own utensils.
Right.
Bacteria.
Yeah, there was one thing I was kind of like, I'm going to use my own brushes today. But I'll be using all the makeup that she uses, even though she is way tanner than me. We're just going to make it work.
Oh, yeah. And I'm very sorry, but they're not cruelty-free.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
As you know, everything I use on my channel is cruelty-free, but for today's video, KARIANN unfortunately does not use all cruelty-free makeup.
I haven't been educated.
Not yet. We're getting her there. She's going to be cruelty-free soon, okay? We're gonna get her there. But for now, we're just gonna sing the jingle and get right into the video. Cruelty-free, or it's not for me.
Unless you're KARIANN. So, this is my makeup. Everything is in here. It's kind of gross, but I had to bring it over here somehow. We're just gonna start.
I'm so scared, guys. Like, you have no idea. I don't...
Let me pull my hair back. Ooh, 7-year-old boy. So next we go in with Spackle Hydrating Moisturizing Under Makeup Primer by Laura Geller. So we're just gonna use it. I like it, it works.
Thank God she has primer. I got really scared for a second.
And just boop.
Oh.
Boop. A little goes a long way with this. Boop. Boop. He has to do it exactly how I do it too. And then you kind of just rub it in with your finger.
Okay, so... wait.
Blend it all the way down on your neck because...
Okay. I'm just gonna rub that in.
All the way on your neck and right in front of the ears.
You know, you can't forget those neck and ears. So
next we're gonna go in with NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I am... Let's see what shade I am.
NARS is not cruelty-free, just for you guys to know. The heads up. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
NARS was cruelty-free, but then in 2017, they started selling in China, and then they got knocked off the list.
There's gonna be a lot of shade.
Just a little bit of shade.
Boop. 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 And you take your beauty blender.
Guys, this is not my shade. Is this good enough, KARIANN? Yeah,
that's actually a lot.
Because, like, I'm a full coverage kind of queen, and...
It's a tinted moisturizer. You can't full coverage.
So for hygienic purposes, I'm using my own beauty blender. Also, it's cute and it's blue, so... So what am I doing?
Mine's pink and dirty.
So what are we doing?
Just blending it out.
Okay.
All over your face. Under the eyes. You might see that it's, like, kind of, like... Not patchy, but, like, patchy. Like, okay, so for me, it's like kind of like lighter around here than it is over here, but that's just because it's a tinted moisturizer, and it's not gonna like full coverage and everything be the same, but that's what concealer's for.
Wait, this is like no coverage.
Oh no, my hip is cramping up.
Alright, so we're all blended out, and it's so sheer. Like, you can see all my blemishes, but it's okay, we're gonna keep going. Okay, so what's next?
So we take Maybelline, this is Maybelline, right? Yeah, Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand.
Maybelline is also not cruelty-free, but it's okay, we'll give her a pass on that one.
And I do more like a greater than and a less than sign than a triangle, and you just swipe there. Because my bags aren't just under my eyes, or like on top of my eyes and just like all over my face.
Like that?
And then blend it all the way up, like, to your forehead. Using small dabbing motion.
KARIANN, do you want to tell everyone how we know each other, you know, about dance life, anything?
So, I met Eli when I was 6, I think. Yeah.
I think so.
At dance practice, he walked into my classroom, and he was just this little ginger dude. And we've been competing as duet partners since then, which is about 13 years.
Oh my god, yeah. I would say 13.
I think my math is correct. I don't know.
It's been a while.
The funniest thing is that even though we've been dancing together for such a long time, we didn't actually become close friends until a year ago, I would say.
If that.
Yeah.
I drove her home every day, you know, after dance, and we bonded, and now we're here. Okay, so me and KARIANN go to 2 different schools, but we still...
We're wearing each other's school colors.
Are we?
Yeah, I'm wearing red and white, and you're wearing blue and white.
Oh, cute. Okay, so after we're blended out our concealer, what do we do next?
Give me a second, I need to think.
Hopefully we set our makeup soon.
Yeah.
Do we set our makeup?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Okay.
So next we're gonna set our makeup. I use L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the shade 4, W4. I use Wet n Wild brushes, I don't know, they kind of worked well. And they're cute.
Oh, Wet n Wild. That's cruelty-free.
Really?
Yeah, it is.
Yay! I'm halfway there.
But L'Oreal is definitely not, so still getting shade on
I'll
that.
look next time. So I kind of just, because there's not a lot left, I kind of just swirl around and buff it in, buff?
That's a good word, buff. Yes.
Buff it into my cheeks.
Okay.
Oh wow, I need to clean my brush. It's like de-shaping.
When was the last time you cleaned your brushes?
Oh, when I bought them. I got them for Christmas.
Oh my god!
Only the Wet n Wild ones.
Oh my god!
The rest of them I've cleaned.
KARIANN, that's like a year.
Can't forget the neck. Eli hates me now.
I'm just still stuck on the fact that she doesn't wash her brushes.
So next I take Milani's, I guess it's a brow pomade. Yeah. And I get it on my brush and I just fill in my brows.
Okay, so this brow does not look the worst, but it's just the shade that's like throwing me off.
I think the shade looks fine.
Really?
Like when you do both. Okay, so here's the thing. My brows always look really intense until I have the rest of my makeup on.
Like, do you see the difference? Like, no brows, brows. No brow, brows.
So I have a little bit of tea. It's a little story tea time.
Tea!
When he first came into my class, I, for some reason, just didn't like him. So at the end of our dance, we had to do this pose, like the ending pose, and my teacher wanted me to sit on his knee. So he was like, you know this story.
Mm-hmm.
So he was like one knee down, one knee up, like tabletop, and she wanted me to sit on his knee. And I didn't want to sit on his knee. I just didn't want to. So she goes, okay, KARIANN, sit on his knee. Me being me,
I full body force slam down on his knee to where he falls on the ground.
she's like, okay, we're not doing that. And then changes the position. I was so happy, but I obviously didn't show it because petty people don't show their emotions.
But it's fine, we're here, we're present, and so are my brows.
After brows, we're gonna start with eyes, but not finish the eyes until later. You see what I'm talking about. I have these 2 little squares, rectangles, and they're from, I'm pretty sure it's NYX. It was a NYX Valentine, like countdown to Valentine's Day.
NYX? It's cruelty-free. Yay, KARIANN!
So there's no shade names or anything, but I go in with this like apricot like peach.
Like apricot kind of peach?
So go in on the lid and then you blend it out, not on your brow bone, but like just like cover the whole lid.
So right now I am taking the shadow pigment that we used, really going ham because she said to go ham. Then
and just sweeping it.
just sweep it on my lid. Oh wow, there is definitely pigment here. I don't know
You think
what
so?
you're talking about.
It's just not as pink as I would like.
Okay, so what's next?
Okay, so we're gonna go in with the same NYX Valentine's Day, Countdown to Valentine's Day thing, in more of like a plummy shade. It's like purpley brown. Pat it into the corner and then sweep it. If it's looking a little rough and a little dark, just blend like no tomorrow. Next, I go in with Sweetheart by Kylie, which I'm guessing is not cruelty free.
No, it is. Kylie is cruelty free.
Oh, I love Kylie.
Yeah, we love Kylie.
It's either Baby or Love Letter. I think it's Baby, the pink one, not the shimmery one. A little goes a long way, so I just tap it and then tap off the excess, and then only on my lid.
What collection is that from?
Valentine's Day.
Oh, cute. I'm like not mad at this.
I know some things. So next, we're still on the eyes. We're gonna go in with Sleek makeup. I'm telling you, it's blinding. Haters, I'm sorry, but you're gone. And just going in with the bottom right corner highlight and sweeping it on. I wet my brush just a little bit, and then we're gonna just sweep it onto the 2 inner thirds. Yeah.
Wow, that is
2 inner
reflective.
thirds, and kind of like pat it on. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. Go in, tap, 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 and cheeks. I go in from like the whole of my ear down to like the bottom of my lip, like where my lips.
Oh wow, so you go all the way down.
But that's because that fits my face. And then tap in the temples, tap in the middle, the top of the forehead, and then you blend it and make the like 3 shape.
Everything is currently really dark on me, but it's fine.
This is fine.
So after that, we got Eli's favorite thing in the world.
Blush!
And I have Lorac Los Angeles, Cue the Confetti.
I love blush!
Oh, the names are on the front. I go in with Technicolor and Tinge at the same time. Technicolor is like an apricot kind of peach.
Like apricot kind of peach? So much shade, oh my gosh.
So I tap Technicolor twice, Tinge once, and then pat off excess, and then
Oh my god, I'm so
apply.
excited. I love blush so much.
She's not looking bad.
You don't think?
No. So next we go back to the Sleek makeup with the same shade that we used before
Oh.
and get her on. I use my finger to blend it out.
Alright. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing. Oh god, I hate fan brushes.
I like them.
Anyway.
You want to use like a sweeping motion. I'm going to highlight my brow bone.
I don't like ever highlight up here, so this is new for me.
So again, with the flat side, take it and we're gonna dab it in the inner corner.
Highlighting the brow bone. Trying to catch up because she goes really fast.
Okay, so next we're gonna get on with the mascara and eyeliner.
So wait, you're not gonna do the lower lash line?
No, I don't do that.
Okay.
Just for you. Take your fluffy brush and just pretend.
Oh no, but it's okay, you don't do it, so I'm not gonna do it. Alright, so since we're not gross, I have my own mascara that I'll be using.
But you have to put your mascara on like how I do.
Okay, so how are you putting it on?
Coat the top of your lashes, like the inside.
Okay, the inside. Okay. Like that.
Then you go and put it on normal.
You do the bottom lash line too?
Because I don't wear fake lashes, I apply mascara to make it look like I do.
So, I never put mascara on my lower lash line just because my eyelashes are so short and they don't ever, like, grab on to the product. So, I'm gonna go be right back and get a Q-tip and fix this mess.
So next we're going in with Neutrogena's Nourishing Eyeliner, which I know Neutrogena is not cruelty free,
It's not.
but we're gonna line our waterline and then tight line.
Okay, so since I'm trying to stay sanitary, I'm not using her pencil. also because it's not cruelty free. But I'm going to use the NYX Brown Eye Pencil and line my waterline and my tight line. And I'll be right back.
Okay, so next up, we're going to be using Smashbox. It is just like a mauve color.
And it's cruelty free!
Yay! And what I do, the tip is like pointed, but I still go in with like a really tiny lip pencil. I take some off of the applicator and just basically fill my lips in.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go in. Hopefully this color looks good on me.
And then I go, she's not gonna do this because it's mine, but I go back in with it and then just like apply it as normal lip gloss or lipstick.
Alright, so I think that's all that we have today.
That is.
Thank you so much for being on my channel.
I had such a great time.
I do like my look. It's, although not my shade at all, I think it looks pretty good. Comment down below if you think we look like twins. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to click that notification bell to get notified every time I upload.
I'm on the notification squad, are you?
I'll leave all of KARIANN's socials down below so you can go follow her. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Mwah. Bye guys.
It was cute.